Dogs give us laughter, joy, and beautiful memories, but they can also give us allergic diseases like hay fever, dermatitis, or asthma. This leaves many pet owners pondering, what are the best dogs for people with dog allergies? To answer this question, we have compiled a list of dog breeds considered to be hypoallergenic. Along with this list, you will find out what makes these dogs hypoallergenic and what can help you if you begin to develop allergies to your dog. However, before we go over this, it can be helpful to know what causes humans to have allergic reactions to dogs in the first place. What are allergies? Allergies are caused by an immune system that has become hypersensitive to outside substances which are basically harmless. In essence, cells in your immune system encounter a substance in your body or on your skin, determine that it is dangerous when it is actually harmless, and then initiate an inflammatory response in order to protect you. That inflammatory response produces the symptoms we see as an allergic reaction, and the substance that causes the allergic reaction is known as an allergen. An allergic reaction may include any of the following symptoms: common allergic reactions, eye and nasal cavity irritation, rashes or itchiness all over the body, chronic coughing or sneezing, congestion in the sinuses, runny nose, shortness of breath or wheezing, serious swelling of the tongue or throat. This is usually hereditary and is generally a condition that a person is born with. These people generally require treatments for their allergies, which include medications and avoiding the allergens as much as possible. What does it mean when a dog is hypoallergenic? Dogs can cause allergic responses in certain people. There is a common misconception that the dog's hair is the allergen. In fact, it is a group of protein in the dog's skin, or dander, saliva, and urine called canine familiaris allergen, or CANF, that causes the allergic reaction. These allergens are spread along with the dog's hair coat when it grooms or licks itself, and they can get into the environment when the dog sheds its hair or dander. As a result, the areas in your home with the highest concentration of these various CANF allergens include bedding. This is essentially anywhere that dogs lay, sleep, or lick themselves. Upholstered furniture. The allergens found in dog saliva and dander will become attached to any fabric. Carpet. Long fibers like the ones found in carpeting can act as natural reservoirs for dog dander and saliva. Hypoallergenic dogs shed less. A landmark study from 1988 in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology demonstrated that every dog produces various CANF allergens. Various studies have shown that there is no such thing as a truly hypoallergenic dog. So if all dogs produce CANF allergens and no dog is truly hypoallergenic, what does it mean to have a dog that is called hypoallergenic? There is some evidence that certain dog breeds may produce less of these allergens than other breeds. For example, a 2005 study in the publication Allergy demonstrates that Labradors, on average, produce less CANF1. According to the American Kennel Club, AKC, hypoallergenic dogs are breeds that shed minimally or not at all. Some may even be entirely hairless and will only shed small amounts of dander. The less hair and dander the dog sheds, the more hypoallergenic the breed is for people with allergies. However, it is important to know that even within a dog breed, there will be individual variation in how much allergen there is on each dog's skin. The bottom line is, there's just no predicting whether a dog, purebred or not, is going to cause problems to someone with allergies. "21 hypoallergenic dogs for people with allergies." Each of these dogs is considered hypoallergenic and could be a good option for people with dog allergies. Like all dogs, they produce CANF allergens, but they shed less fur and dander so that these allergens may accumulate less over the home, especially if you are proactive with measures to reduce hair and dander buildup. Remember that some people may still be allergic to hypoallergenic dogs, so consulting with a physician is a good idea prior to adopting any dog. Also, if you have a severe dog allergy, especially if it's complicated by asthma, bringing a dog into the household is not a good idea. But for people with milder allergies, it may help to get a dog on a trial basis, such as finding a shelter or breeder who can take the dog back after a few weeks if things don't work out. Of all the various dog breeds, the Terrier breed has multiple variations that are considered hypoallergenic. The AKC describes all terriers as being feisty and energetic as they were bred for hunting and ratting, vermin control. This makes them excellent watchdogs, but they also have the capacity to dig, bark, and sniff around endlessly. Hypoallergenic dogs, terriers. Airedale. This terrier breed boasts the nickname titled the King of Terriers because it is the largest of the terrier breeds. They are large dogs, weighing between 50 to 70 pounds. American hairless. As the name states, these small terriers, originally from Louisiana, can be hairless, but there are versions with short shiny coats as well. Both versions are considered hypoallergenic. Australian Silkie. This small silky-haired terrier was developed around Sydney in the 19th century. Its ancestors include the Yorkshire and the Australian Terrier. Bedlington. This is a mid-size English terrier. They sport a coat which can resemble sheep's wool. Border. This is a mid-size terrier with an otter-shaped head. They were originally a country breed but adapt well to rural and city areas. Boston. This breed sports the nickname American Gentleman, probably because their coat can resemble a tuxedo. These terriers grow to the height of 15 to 17 inches and weigh no more than 25 pounds. Cairn. This terrier breed was originally bred to hunt small prey like foxes. They are small dogs with thick wiry coats. They love to be outside and dig. Scottish. These are fun dogs who enjoy being independent but also make confident companions. Their high spirits earned them the nickname the Die Hard. This is a staple of Britain's terrier breeds. Tibetan. This terrier breed is called the Holy Dog of Tibet and has a long association with Buddhist monasteries. They have long silky hair, resembling their smaller cousin, the Lhasa Apso. West Highland White. You can refer to them as Westies for short. This little hunter is probably the most popular breed of terrier. They grow to about 10 inches in height and sport a thick all-white coat. Yorkshire. These terriers are famous for their long silky coats which resemble human hair and can reach the ground. These short dogs, 8 to 9 inches, were originally developed as ratters to help catch vermin in mines and mills. Hypoallergenic dogs, non-terriers. Portuguese water dog. President Obama famously had one named Bo because of his daughter Malia's allergies. It may be obvious from the name of the breed that they are excellent swimmers that love being outdoors. Maltese. These dogs are toy size. They are completely covered in white silky soft hair that keeps growing to the ground unless you groom it. Bichon Frise. This is a small, friendly, and loving breed that is particularly good with children. However, they tend to suffer from separation anxiety and do not always adjust well to being in a kennel. Havanese. These are related to the Bichon Frise and are also companion dogs that are especially loving, affectionate, and attached to their owners. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.